Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and now today we will discuss the new chapter number 13, lines and angles. So first of all, introduction part. आज हम first of all क्या करेंगे? Introduction part करेंगे. So see the chapter number 13, lines and angles. So first is, what is the supplementary angles? What is the supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. 180 degree. Suppose let A and angle B are supplementary. So दोनों का सम कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री. तब हम बोलेंगे कि हमारा जो एंगल A और एंगल B है, they are supplementary angle. So clear बेटा? Now next topic is complementary angle. Complementary angle means two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Again, suppose that angle C and angle D are complementary, so their sum is C plus D equals to 90 degree. Means अगर दोनों angles का sum 90 degree है, तब हम दोनों को बोलेंगे they are complementary angles. Clear बेटा? Okay. Now next topic, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means suppose this. Suppose this is A point, O, B, and C. So angle AOC and angle BOC, they are adjacent angle. They are adjacent angle. Clear beta? Now after this, linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Suppose AOB is a straight line. Is a straight line, and this is a transversal line. So suppose this point is D point. So हम बोलेंगे this is a linear pair. This is a linear pair. Means angle AOD plus angle BOD equals to 180 degree. Equals to 180 degree. Means लाइन पर जो एंगल है, you know very well, 180 डिग्री होता है, तो दोनों का सम क्या हो जाएगा? 180 डिग्री. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear of pair angles if their non-common arms are to opposite rays. और दोनों का सम कितना होता है बेटा? 180 डिग्री होता है. क्लियर बेटा? Okay. Now next topic is vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angle means suppose two lines bisect each other, A, B, C and D. So suppose this angle 1, this angle 2 and this 3 and this 4. So angle 1 equals to angle 2 because they are vertical opposite angles. Means आमने सामने के angles को क्या बोलते हैं? Vertical opposite angles. As it is, angle 3 equals to angle 4. They are also vertical opposite angles. So introduction part clear बेटा? सभी को introduction part clear है? Now open the exercise. Exercise 13A. Exercise 13A open करेंगे बेटा. Exercise 13A. See the question number 1. Exercise 13A, question number 1. And question number 1 is, find the complement of each of the following angles. आपको क्या करना है? complement की angles find करने हैं. 35 के लिए complement find करना है and second third part is 60 के लिए. clear बेटा? So see the solution of this question. The given angle measure 35 degree. Okay, so let the measure of its complement be x. Clear? So x plus 35 degree equals to 55 degree. 55 degree. Again, see, the given angle measure 35 degree. So let the measure of its complement be x. So x plus 35 equals to 90 degree. 35 move to the right side. So 90 minus 35 just 55. So hence the complement of the given angle will be 55 degree. Clear beta? Now see the third part of this question, and third part is 60 degree. So the given angle measure, the given angle measure 60 degree. So let the measure of its complement be x degree. Okay, so sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So x equals to 90 minus 60, just 30 degree. Just 30 degree. Hence the complement of the given angle will be 30 degree. Will be 30 degree. Clear students? Again repeat. The given angle measure 60 degree. Then let the measure of its complement angle be x. So sum of two complement angle is 90 degree. So x plus 60 equals 90 degree. Move करेंगे right side में. So 90 minus 60 30 degree. Hence the complement of the given angle will be 30 degree. Clear students? Now after this, see the question number 2. Question number 2 and first part. And question number 2 is find the supplement of each of the following. Find the supplement of each of the following. So first part is 80 degree. The given angle measures 80 degree. So let the supplement of its let the measure of its supplement be x. So sum of two supplement angle is 180 degree. So x plus 80 degree equals to 180 degree. So value of x equals to 180 minus 80 means x equals to 100 degree. 100 degree. Hence the supplement of the given angle will be 100 degree. Clear students? Everyone clear? Now after this, see the second part of question number 2. And second part is 54 degree. 54 degree. So the given measure 54 degree. So let the measure of its supplement be x degree. So sum of two supplement angle equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 minus 54. So x equals to 10 minus 4 just 6. 7 minus 5 just 2. 126 degree. So hence the supplement angle of 54 degree is 126 degree. 126 And question number 3 is, among two supplementary angles, the measure of larger angle is 36 more than the measure of the smaller angle. Measure of the smaller angle. So first of all, let two supplementary angles be x and 180 minus x. So see the solution of question number 3. Let two supplementary angles be x degree and 180 minus x degree. Clear beta? Since it is given that the measure of larger angle is 36 degree more than the smaller angle. So let the larger angle be x. Let the larger angle be x degree. Be x degree. So according to question, 180 degree minus x plus 36 equals to x degree. So 180 plus 36, how much? 260, and move to the right x, move to the right side, so x plus x. So 216 equals to x, 2x. So value of x equals to 216 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 16. So x equals to 108. Hence, two supplementary angles are first 108 degree and second 180 minus 108, 72 degree. And these are the required answer. Clear beta? I very clear. So after this, see the next question, question number 5. And question number 5 is very important to see the question number 5. Question number 5 is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? First case, second obtuse, and third is right. Third is right. So see the first case. क्या ऐसा है कि टू एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री होंगे सब? फर्स्ट केस एक्यूट, नो, because if both the angles are acute, that is less than 90 degree, they cannot be supplementary. They cannot be supplementary, as their sum will always be less than 180 degree. Second case, obtuse. Obtuse, no, because if both the angles are obtuse, that is more than 180 degree, obtuse, sorry, more than 90 degree, more than 180 degree, more than 180 degree. And last case is right angle. Last case is right angle. Both are right. Yes. Yes. Because suppose first is 90 and second is 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angles. Means just only one case. Just only one case. Because they are 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 equals to 180. Means they are supplementary angles. Clear beta? Everyone clear this part? So today work is closed beta. Have a nice day. Thank you.